Hello everybody. You have a beautiful railroad crossing right there. I don't know if you can see it, but I'm sure there's a railroad crossing right there. Oh, why the frick is there another one up there? Flashlight on. Bro, would you shut up, you stupid truck? I'm trying to film a video, anyways. Yeah, it's beautiful. Oh, that's blinding. Okay. Alright, time to leave. That was the most beautiful railroad crossing in my life. Oh, it's not there. It's there. It's two black things right there. No. Yes.